SparkPod Shower Head, transform your shower experience. Experience the epitome of luxury with the SparkPod Shower Head. Immerse yourself in a high-pressure rainfall shower that douses your entire body with a soothing downpour of hot water. Once you try it, you'll never want to go back to a regular shower again. Upgrade your bathroom with this premium quality rain shower head and elevate your daily routine to new heights of relaxation and comfort. Installation is a breeze with our universal shower head, which connects to any standard shower arm in just 5 minutes, no tools required. Plus, we provide extra Teflon tape and a water filter to ensure a perfect fit from the moment it arrives at your doorstep. Say goodbye to hard water deposits and limescale buildup, thanks to the easy-to-clean rubber jets that maintain optimal water flow for years to come. At SparkPod, customer satisfaction is our top priority. We're dedicated to delivering high-pressure shower heads that exceed your expectations and transform your shower experience. Our customer happiness team is available 7 days a week to answer any questions and ensure your complete satisfaction with your purchase. With SparkPod, you come first. Not only does the SparkPod Shower Head provide a luxurious showering experience, but it also helps you save on energy costs. With a maximum outflow of 1.8 gallons per minute, you can enjoy longer hot showers while reducing your water heater bill. Join countless satisfied customers who rave about the comfort, performance, and ease of installation of the SparkPod Shower Head. It's time to hit reset and indulge in pure luxury.